So I think it's gonna be our little spot for today. I'm not gonna bring my van here, it's just doesn't have that much space anyway, and I'm worried I'm gonna have a hard time to get up. But we are right beside the river. So I'm not gonna make anything too crazy on the fire. We're gonna have a fire, but the past couple of fire in the backcountry, it was just like Dutch oven, and I didn't even enjoy the actual fire because by the time it was all done with the Dutch oven, the fire was pretty much gone. So we're gonna have a simple little dinner. So I love marinade with tofu, mushroom, and I have some bell pepper too as well, into a little bit of soy sauce and maple syrup. So we're gonna let that marinate, and we're gonna cook that probably with some rice or something else. Yeah, should be good. Before I go make a fire with Kitty outside and all this, I wanted to show you this package. I went yesterday at Chrome Shop to get this package because, well, my mail is in the mainland and we are on Vancouver Island. And I'm so happy. I got my, let me grab a package. So this and this one too as well. So make a little card. Those are bent. I don't want to bend them right now because they take some space, but I have my eagle. Focus on the eagle, please. This one, I do have 2 bundles, so all my, the same one that this one, the same one at the back too is there. So yeah, you guys, if you want some greeting card, Christmas card, you can go on my website. They will be there. I do have the nature photography bundle if you want, that I put there, and Kitty is there too as well. Super exciting. I know a lot of you were asking me this for so many years almost, for so many times. So yeah, this is there now. So if you want to check it out, I do have a very, like, this box is kind of big, but I only have 50 kind of bundles, so very limited edition. So my fire is pretty much ready. Before I start the fire, we're gonna go for a walk with Kelly because I don't think she's gonna stay very long. She's just like, it's cold. So I'm gonna exercise her because it's been a while since she doesn't want to go outside this year. She's just like, it's nice and warm in the van. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a little walk with her. You have a little pat. You done? Go back to the van? Didn't last very long, kitty. Yes, I sit on my little stool. I broke down my little camping chair this summer. I think it was the beginning of the summer. I had that chair for a while, for probably 3 or 4 years, and it broke down. And since then, I didn't want to buy one, like the cheapy one at the Walmart or whatever, so I don't know, I've been sitting on my little stool, and to be quite honest, I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy another chair. I kind of enjoy like that little stool, and for the number of times that I sit in front of like a campfire, like I say often, I'm just like cooking and coming back and forth. I rarely take time to actually sit, other than if I'm with friends. So I don't know, maybe I'm just gonna keep that, to be quite honest. Gonna save a little bit of space in the van. Alright, it's great to look at the fire for a couple of minutes, but I don't know what to do now. Typical me. I can relax, but not too long. So I think we're gonna cook on the fire. We're gonna cook the lunch dinner because alright, so that's the little marinade. I'm just gonna put the tofu in the vegetable, and it's gonna have the rest of the marinade in the bottom. That I'm gonna keep that, and because I'm vegan and I don't have any meat, I can use the marinade, and I'm gonna put that on top of my rice. So we're gonna put everything into that cast iron pan. This is lunch, dinner, and I know it's going to be good because I've done it several times. Look at the tent! Could go camping in this, but no, we're gonna have a shower. think I might be ready to start it. Took a couple of minutes to figure out where everything goes. When I was on my travel trip up north this summer, it was hard to find a place to have a shower. On my gym up north has got nothing, so that was not an option. The only option was campground, but obviously you have to pay for the campground and everything, or pool and stuff like this. But sometimes too it's hard. Sometimes you just don't have any community for like a while there. So yeah, it was shower, swimming a little bit, and you know, but yeah, now we're gonna have a nice warm shower. I got it. It's warm. Oh yeah. I had a problem because they give me some battery to go with it, big battery, but I think they were one was a little bit on the rusty side or whatever, and I think I had fun with that one because it was working, but it was not getting hot. Oh, that was my connection to my propane. Oh no, it felt right. Oh, this is warm. Okay. All right, I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Oh yeah. Oh. That was nice. I love that all the shower come in that bucket. So I'm gonna be able to put everything underneath the bed, and this can be if you want to wash your dishes too. It's got like a little different thing. But yeah. So it took me a couple of minutes to figure out everything, but next time it's gonna be definitely faster. I think like probably 5 minutes, not even. I'm gonna be able to set that up, and the tent was like super easy. And the tent's got some hook and stuff that I can put if I just wanna, you know, put the shower there. If I was boondocking for a while too, that'd be a great setup. You leave that, you can change there, you can do whatever, you know. Awesome. Oh, that's great. I'm not gonna smell like a campfire tonight. This is gonna be, I think, a big thing for especially next summer. In the winter, I do have access quite well to to my gym and everything, so it's not usually an issue. I mean, that's gonna be nice in the backcountry when I'm gonna spend like a couple days, but I think that's gonna be really nice. I know it's gonna be nice in the summer because first you want to have shower more often because it's hot and second it's harder to find my gym on the road. So yeah, that's gonna be nice. And yeah, I'm gonna make some space underneath the bed. It will fit there. I have 3 bins already. One is pretty much a Starlink. The second one, where I think the shower is gonna go, it's all paper and things, and I have a project for here to add a little bit of storage, a place for Kelly to check on the window. So that's probably gonna come in the next couple of weeks. And the last bin is all my tools, and this section here it's a kind of mix and match. So I put the tent here, it's got my Dutch oven, it's got a couple of tools too as well that I should move around, but in that section is all my electrical pretty much. So a lot of storage underneath the bed, and yeah, I need to organize a little bit things, and I'm gonna put that there. Obviously I'm not gonna sleep with my shower every day. Alright, so I think it's gonna be a relaxing evening for me. I'm just gonna start the heater. I'm gonna chill, read, and whatever with Kitty. And yeah, if you want to have some of the print, some little postcard for you guys, I'm gonna put everything in the description, and also I'm gonna put in the description if you want to have your shower and everything, so you can look at it too. Yeah, I think that's it. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I deeply appreciate all of you guys. And I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty want to eat. You ate a lot today, Kitty. You're gonna have to give us a little kiss if you want to eat more. Kitty, we want a kiss. We want a kiss. Kitty. Kitty. There you go. Now I'm gonna give you some food. That's what you want, huh? That's always what you want. That took 2 seconds, and I was not even done putting all your food that you were rushing to it. Alright guys, we will see you in the next one.